Welcome to my paradise and all the things around it. I used to feel alone, but now I feel like I'm surrounded. So thank you to my angels and the man that's up above. And my only competition, that artist that wore a glove.
Hey beauties, welcome back. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you to every one of you who have supported me this far. I can't thank you guys enough. Like, you all are amazing. So beauties, in today's video I'll be doing hair installation. The hair I'll be working with today is by this hair company called CutiePieTresses. Alright, I'll be showing you the name in a bit. Like, I'll be showing you their logo in a bit. Alright, so I'm going to show you, or rather unbox the hair the way it came. Though I already opened it, you know, just a sneak peek. The package came by DHL. Alright, I was glad I didn't have to pay anything, you know, any tax on it, which was really cool. Thank you so much for, you know, helping me to avoid that. CutiePieTresses. So by the time I opened the DHL pack and I found this, like I said, I already opened it before. So this is, I'm sorry for the way I got it open. I was really excited to see what was in. Alright, so but wait, let me show you something. Oh, isn't this so cute? Wow, it's really cute, and on it is written CutiePieTresses. Like, it's so cute. I really like this cute satin bag, don't you? And I like the color too, though I'm not a pinky kind of girl, but this kind of pink I like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you what the free gift that came with it. In the pack are some, you know, pamphlet just to let you, to give you more information about the hair and all of that good stuff. And this is their logo right here, which you've already seen on the satin bag, like on the bag of the hair. Let me show you another cute thing that came. I was like, wow! It was really cute. Is this cute lashes? Like, look at these lashes, guys. Isn't this so cute? Really cute. I really like it. Okay, I think I've used that cute enough. Of course, they are called CutiePieTresses, so why not? So this is what the lashes look like. But let me show you another thing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. I really like it. I don't know, I'm thrilled with things like this. Like, you know, little packaging, but, you know, well put together and looks expensive. Okay, so this is it. Of course, I'll be rocking these lashes in a minute, of course. So yeah, let's get to the hair. So I haven't seen the hair, alright? I haven't seen it, or rather I haven't felt it. I think that's the word. However, guys, wow. So this is the hair. So this is the hair. Wow, it's really full. So this is the hair, guys. This is their Kinky blown out lace front wig. That's what this is, and it really feels good. The texture is also good. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me quickly show you what the inside looks like. It has this adjustable strap inside, this one right here, and it has 3 combs, 2 on the side, like the ear to ear, and 1 on the back. And the size of the cap I chose is medium. Alright, so I always like to choose medium just to have enough space to work with. The only thing I'm considering right now that I'm looking at is the lace, but I'm going to try to make it work for my skin. I'm going to try to blend it into my skin as, you know, as neatly as possible. So let's just get into this video, for which I'm going to continue the rest part of the video with a voiceover, right? So yeah. Alright guys, so this is me basically applying the hair on, and yeah guys, you can tell the lace is pretty too light for my skin. But anyways, we'll fix that later. So this is me showing you guys what the hairline looks like before I will do anything to it. So it came slightly pre-plucked, which I think is good. So this is me basically cutting off the excess lace from the hair. Alright, this is what it looks like by the time I'm done. Of course, no one can wear this hair like this. Literally none. So I'm going to do my usual routine. As you guys know, I did wash the hair off camera, which I didn't show you guys. You've seen that over and again. So I washed the hair, and guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate this hair? Like, how realistic do you want your hair to be? Well, I don't have much to say, guys. So this is me just going ahead to do a bit of extra, pre-plucking it one more time, you know, just to make the hairline looks a bit more natural. So that's what I'm doing. And by the time I'm done with the plucking and all of that, I'm going to use my hot comb to make the hair, I mean the front part of the hair, lay flat, you know, more flat. Because as you can tell, this hair is really full, like the density is really high, which is good. It's really good for this season, guys. You know, this is more like a must-have hair. All right, so you can tell how it's looking right now, looking all snatched. Okay, maybe not too snatched, but something close to that. So this is me basically using my hot comb, like I earlier told you guys, to make it look flat. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the hair, because you know, I just washed the hair, it's still wet, and I do not want to wear it like that, you get. So I just blow dry it, and yeah, guys, I don't even know if I should ask you guys, can you see? Because you can see. Do you say this? This looks so natural, so natural, like yes, that's how I feel. Alright, so this is time to apply the hair on. So as you can tell, the lace is looking darker, of which I added foundation off camera. So I had to use foundation of my skin tone to make the lace look a bit closer to my skin tone. And this is me basically applying the hair on. I already applied the got to be glue, and yeah, I'm just, you know, sticking the the hair, the lace, to my, you know, to my scalp, to the skin. You know the drill, guys. You know the basic thing we do to slay this hair. Alright, so now I'm just spraying the hairline one more time just for extra hold. Alright, so that's basically what I'm doing. And then I'm going to wrap the hair, or tie the hairline, the edges, so it will set properly. So because I do not have the stick wax, I think that's what it's called, or wax stick, I don't know. So because I do not have that, I had to go with this edge control by Dark and Lovely, the Let's Jam. So it did work greatly, and I love the shine it added to the hair. And you guys know this gel or edge control smells so good. But anyways, moving on. So, but the thing I do not like about the free spray is the white cast that it does give. But you can fix it, and it's very easy to do, which you'll be seeing me do in this video. So just, okay, we're already here. So this is me basically cleaning off the white cast with just water and a face pad, and you can tell how clear it looks. So that's basically it. And I'm going to go ahead now to create my baby hair. Guys, I suck when it comes to baby hair, okay? So that's why most time I do it off camera, because I don't want to disgrace myself. But anyway, that's basically it. I've done my baby hair, and I'm laying down the hair, and I'm going to go with these styling mousse by Balea. this thing smells so good. Like, it smells so good. And this is also going to help with the flyaways and also make the hair looks more nice and shiny, you know, like it's needed. So that's basically what I'm doing right here, and now I'm just brushing it out to make everything look all flawless and smooth. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go off camera. Okay, I'm using my hot comb one more time to lay the front, you know, to make the front lay flatter or looks flatter. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go off camera, do my makeup. Voila, guys, so this is it. This is the finished look, guys. Please just allow me to feel this hair. Allow me. It was so nice. I really love it. I love the texture, the density, the quality of the hair. It's so good. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the finished look. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notification bell. And yeah, this is it, guys. And until next time, guys, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, guys. Mwah.